12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether it is fine or not, or defective or not defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So find the probability of good pens. So you can write the statements. Number of defective
Defective
pens,
pen.
12.
12, sir.
Next, number of
Good one, sir.
good ones or good pens
132.
are 132. Therefore, number of
So possible out
total pen,
total pens are 144, sir.
144. Now we have to find the probability of a good pen.
Good one, sir.
Probability of good one is write
132
the
by
formula.
1.
Write the formula.
132.
Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes.
Number of total outcomes, sir.
Then how many are there possible favorable outcomes?
132.
Sir,
Good
132.
Good one is 132 and total 144. So the probability is 132 by 144. How many times not this?
Which is 11 by 12, sir.
Okay, 11. 12 ones are 12 ones
Sir,
are
it is in 12 tables,
Yes,
sir.
12
So
tables.
11 by
11 by 12. That's it. So the first question is a lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So find the probability of defective bulb. So first let us find total number of bulbs.
20, sir.
20.
Number of total bulbs are 20. Next, number of defective bulbs.
Defective bulbs,
Sir,
4,
four.
sir.
Defective bulbs are 4. Therefore, number of good ones.
Good ones, 16.
Sir,
sir.
16.
Good ones are 16. And the first question, what we have to find?
So the defective ones.
Sir, a bulb that is defective,
Probability
how
of defective. So probability of defective.
fitting a defective bulb, sir?
Defective one or defective bulb is number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes.
4, sir.
4 by 20.
So here
4 by 20, sir.
That's it. So it is
So 1 by 5.
1 by 5.
1 by 5.
1 by 5.
So let us go to the second one. So the second one, suppose the bulb drawn in 1 in the first question is not defective and is not replaced. Suppose the bulb drawn in 1 is not defective means which bulb is taken out?
Sir, good
Sir, a
one.
Good one is
bulb.
taken out. Yes, ma'am. Is not replaced also. It's not replaced. Now, one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Not defective in the sense,
Sir,
good one.
16 by 20.
So first let us
Sir.
find number of
Total bulbs, 19.
number of total bulbs are 19. Or
Sir,
19.
and from that we have to subtract
Number
the
of good
defective one.
ones,
And number of good ones.
15, sir.
Number of good ones are 16 minus 1
15, sir.
is also 15.
Yes.
So how many are there not good ones?
4, sir.
What they ask to find? Not defective bulb.
Sir, so good one only, sir. So 15 by 9.
Not defective is good one only. That's it. So probability of
15 by 9.
not defective bulb is 15 by 19.
19, sir.
That's it. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, no, sir. Screen a second, it was printed, sir.
Okay. So in 18th one, a box contains 90 discs. which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disk is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears. The first question is a 2-digit number, and the next one is a perfect square number, and the third one is a number divisible by 5. So total number of disks, how many are there?
90.
90, sir.
Number of total disks are 90. It is numbered from 1 to 9. Sorry, 1 to 90. Next, the first one, a 2-digit number. So number of 2-digit numbers,
Sir, 81.
9, sir.
2-digit number disks. How many are there, ma? Number of
Sir, 81.
2-digit numbers. So
Sir,
from
81, sir.
1 to 90, when it is 90, from 11 to 90, it is 80, ma. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 10 is also 2-digit number. So the total number
Yes,
of
sir.
2-digit numbers are 81. Then, therefore, the probability of a 2-digit number,
81 by 90, sir.
yes, number of available outcomes 81 by total possible outcomes are 90. So this is 9 by 10.
10, sir.
That's it. Then go to the next one. So the second one is a perfect square number. How many perfect squares are there? Number of perfect square numbers.
Sir, 9, sir.
9, ma? So
Yes,
perfect
sir,
squares,
9.
right, if it is need, right here perfect squares. What are the perfect squares?
So
1,
1, 4,
2 square,
9,
3 square, 4
16.
square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. 8 square is 64. And 9 square. 10 square is 100. 100 is above 90, so we need not consider. So there are 9 squares now. So there are 9 number of perfect squares from 1 to 90. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, probability of a perfect square. Probability of perfect square is again number of available outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. 9 by 90. It's nothing but 1 by
1 by 10.
10. And go to the third one. A number divisible by 5.
18, sir.
Sir,
18,
18,
sir.
sir.
So third one is number of numbers that are divisible by 5.
Divisible by 5, sir.
So usually what are those? 5, 10. So 1 10, there are 2. Like that 9 tens. 9 twos are 18. Isn't it?
Yes, 18 by 9.
Yes, sir.
18. So if possible, you write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and 90 also. So total 18.
Sir.
Therefore, probability of what is it? Not that one.
Getting a
Sir,
number
number
divisible by
divisible
Getting a
by
number
5.
divisible by
5.
5.
Yes. Getting a number divisible by 5.
18 by 90, sir.
That's it. Favorable outcomes are 18 by total possibilities are 90.
90. 1
1
by
by 5,
sir.
sir.
1 by 5.
100.
That's it. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown that is as given below. These are not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One is A, B, C, D, E, and A is repeated. The die is thrown once. So when the die is thrown once, total possibilities are
6, sir.
6 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Number of total possible outcomes. or 6. Then go to the first one. First one is number of years.
2, sir.
Number of years are 2.
Favorable outcome.
Therefore,
2, sir.
probability of
2
getting
by 6. 1 by
2
2.
by
2 by
6.
6.
1 by 3.
1 by
sir.
3, sir.
is 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3.
1 by 3, sir.
And go to the next one. The second
Sir,
one is
D next.
1, sir.
number of days. 1.
1,
Sir,
sir.
1 by 6. 1 by
1 by
6.
So
six.
probability of getting D
1 by 6. sir.
is 1 by 6. That's it. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in this figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1? So what are the possibilities are there now? Inside the circle. Inside the circle means
Sir, either
what is the meaning of inside the circle? It can be anywhere in this shaded region. That means what is it?
Sir, inner surface
Area of
the
circle.
circle.
Sir, inner surface of circle.
Yes, area of circle. And what about the rectangle part? That is
area of the rectangle.
area of
Area
all
of rectangle.
possibilities. Yes, all possible. Total number of possibilities are area of rectangle. Favorable outcomes are area of.
Sir, the
Area of circle, sir.
That's it. If you understood this concept, it's over. So in this case, number of total possibilities.
So 2 into 3, 6.
That's it, ma'am. Number of possibilities is nothing but area of.
A of rectangle.
So you need not write this one, number of total possibilities. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is, we know that L into B, right?
L into B.
So this is 2
3
into
into 2 meter square.
6 meters square. Next. Harini, put it in the mute.
Sir, it's not from my side, sir.
Whoever it is, ma'am. Right. When I ask the question, you can unmute it. And who's that? Ritika, Sanjay. I'll put it in the mute. When it is required, you will not on it. When it is not required, you will on it. Okay, fine. So the next one is number of possible favorable outcomes.
Area of circle.
length into breadth.
Number of favorable outcomes are area of circle.
Area of circle, sir.
Circle.
Circle, sir.
Area of circle formula is
I R
Pi
square.
r
pi r square. But here, if you observe that diameter is given. Diameter is 1 meter means radius is
0. 1 by 2.
0.5 or 1 by 2 whole square.
Yes.
So this is pi into 1 by 4. It is nothing but pi by 4 meter square. Therefore, probability of die will land inside the circle is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So this is pi by 4 meter square. Meter square gets cancelled by the next one is 6 area of rectangle. So this is pi by 4 6 24. This is the answer. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we multiplying 6 and
Yes,
4,
sir.
sir.
Yes. This is pi by 4.
Sir, even we can find the answer in point, no, sir, decimal point.
Yes, 0.5 also you can take now. So this is 6 by 1. So the division of two rational numbers is the first rational number numerator remains same, multiply with its reciprocal of the denominator. So this is pi by 24. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. That's it. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which are 20 are defective and the others are good. Previously, we have completed one question on the same model. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. She will buy if the pen is good. She will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? What is the probability that she will buy it, ma'am? So
Sir,
you write the statements,
Sir, if
right?
the pen is good, it
so
she will
124 by
So how many pens are there? Total 144.
144.
144.
20 are defective. So good ones
Yes,
are.
sir.
Sir, so 124.
Sir, 122.
24, sir.
She will buy if the pen is good only. So probability of good pens. Or Nuri buys a pen. Is total 124 good pens by?
124 by 144.
By 144.
So if you simplify that, 4 3s are 1s are and
31 by 36.
36. That's it. Right. So the second one is probability of
Defective pens, sir.
defective pens. Nuri
Defective.
Nuri buys,
will
will
not
not
buy
buy
pen.
it.
So defective
20 by
are 20.
144.
20 by
By
144.
144.
Yes, ma'am. So the result is
10 by 36.
10.
what is it, ma'am?
5 by 36, sir.
5 by 6, 18, sir.
Yes. This is for 5s are and
5 by 18, sir.
4 3s are and 4.
So by 36, sir.
That's it.
36.
Ah, sorry, sir. 36.
Yes. 5 by 36. And that's it. So for example 13, and complete the following. Even sum on 2 dice. When 2 dice are thrown, the total possibilities are 36. 1 die is 6, 2 dice is 6 square possibilities. So event is given, sum on 2 dice is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So let us see the first one, then we will go to the second one. So here we can see that the sum of these two is 1, 1. There is only one possibility now. So
Yes.
total possibilities are these now. If when we throw 2 dice, so total we get 36, right? So there is only one possible. So this is 1 by 36. You should write it now, step by step. There is 1 minute left out, so I'll give the hint. You try to complete it. So to get the sum as 2 possible outcomes, 1, 1.
2 by 2.
Next, to get 3,
So
1
1
plus-
comma 2.
1, 2, and
2 and 2, 1. So there is a chance to get 2. So this is 2 by 36.
2 by 36.
And next, 4.
Sir, 1, 3, 3,
1,
1,
1 comma 3. 3 comma
This
1.
is 1, 3,
2, 2.
3,
2
1,
comma 2, 3
and 2,
comma
2.
2.
So if you observe
So
that,
three.
we'll get in this direction. Possibilities.
Yes.
So this is 3 by 36. And the next one is 4, 1. 5 we
Sorry.
need.
2 by
3,
3.
2, 2,
1
3,
comma
1,
2. 4 comma 1.
So how many are there totally? 1, 2,
4.
3, 4
4,
possibilities.
sir.
So
4 by
4 by 36. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are you have to write
5, sir.
stepwise.
5.
So 5. So this is 5 by
36.
36.
Next. 7. These all you will get 7.
6 by 36.
Yes. So 6 by 36. Next
6 by
again the same, it will be reduced. So 6, next 5 by 36, next you will get
So
4
4 by
36.
36.
4 by 36.
3 by 36, 2.
But you should
2
write
by
all
30.
these possibilities, then you can fill this table. Right?